I've been very concerned recently about making sure that I stay ahead of things. It can be so easy to just be completely consumed with different things that may be on our minds, different things that we know are coming up. That's how I've been recently, just really, of course, thinking about moving and all that would be involved in that. With that, though, I have found that it's easy to just daydream and then to allow certain things to not be taken care of. So I need to make sure that I am still taking care of the everyday. This is something that I talk about frequently, especially because that is part of the Lady of the House method. And if you are interested in purchasing the Lady of the House Inspirations book or the Lady of the House Life book, just know I have those linked in my description box below. The Lady of the House Life book includes those things that you would be taking care of for the everyday, as well as housekeeping tasks and just checklists, things like that. I am not immune to allowing these things to fall to the wayside if I find myself completely consumed by other things that may be going on. I have to make a concerted effort to make sure that I am taking care of tasks, because when I am thinking about a new home and all the things that I want to do there, it's very easy for me to get off track here. And I don't want to allow that to happen. So I just, like I said, have to make that concerted effort to do all of the things that I need to do. It's kind of like when you are going to be leaving a job, for instance. Suddenly it becomes very hard to do your current job. Suddenly your heart is no longer in it. I really don't want that to be the case for me when I am taking care of housework here, or even just other work that needs to be done, just because there's something that I'm very excited about. So I've just been in tune with this feeling that I've been having, and just even realizing that maybe 2 days in a row I didn't make my bed, and just how I didn't feel good about that. And so I still want to make sure that everyone is taking care of their laundry as needed, myself included. And those are things that even if I have to stop myself and remind myself that I still have things going on here, no matter how excited I may be. And I'm sure that you have experienced this in some way or another too. And sometimes it can be harder to focus on those things that we still need to get done. However, it's these little things, these small efforts that really help us to have a successful future. It's not just limited to the housework that needs to be done or the everyday tasks that need to be done. It can also have to do with our work and whatever kind of things that we are working on, even if it's something that is a hobby or, those other things that we enjoy doing. We still have to make sure to take care of those little things, because it's all of these little things that add up to the big things and to just making sure that everything is running smoothly. And this helps us to stay ahead instead of procrastinating on these little efforts that must be done. So when you see those things that you can do, even if you can do it ahead of time, I would encourage you to do that. Don't allow the laundry to pile up. Don't allow other things when it comes to work to pile up, or the dishes to pile up. If you see it needs to be done, take care of those things. You will feel so much better. Your future self will thank you. One of the things that I have started doing, and I've been doing for a few months now, is writing out the scriptures that I have on the back of my petite paintings ahead of time. On my Patreon channel, I have different tiers, and I have a painting pal tier as well as a pen pal tier, in addition to an inspired and a lady tier as well. But these are the upper tiers, and they pay more for an added benefit. The painting pals get a petite painting with scripted scripture on the back of it, along with a piece of stationery for that month. And they also will be able to download the stationery that I upload in my shop section on my Patreon channel, as well as my pen pals. They get the same benefit, but they also get a monthly letter from me. So this is something that, while I don't write out the letter ahead of time for the next month, I usually try to keep it authentic for that specific month. But I do like to have my paintings done ahead of time. When I sit down to do the paintings, I have ended up just doing a series, and I will print them all out. I will take time to just do that all in one setting, and then I cut them all up and I have those ready. Now, for the past few months, I have also been taking time after I mail off a set. I will sit down and prepare the next set for the next month. This has made the biggest difference for me because there's so many different steps involved that taking care of some of these ahead of time make it to where when the beginning of the month comes along, I'm not bombarded by all of these different steps if I've already completed some of these tasks. And I'm sure that you can relate to this in whatever work it is that you are involved with, or even just different things that you may be taking care of within your home, different housekeeping tasks. If we're doing a little bit at a time before it's really needed, or before something breaks or something along those lines, it just makes for an easier, smoother transition. And so that is what I've really been focusing on these past few months. Now, come the beginning of October, I know that we are going to be so busy. We take care of the little things that need to be done. And if it's something that you can do ahead of time, I would really encourage you to do that. Your future self will thank you.